Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Zong SIM is active and has data. Without data, Hotspot cannot share internet. Next, make sure iOS is up to date and restart the iPhone to clear any carrier glitches. Then open Settings, tap Cellular, and toggle Mobile Data on. Once done, verify cellular data options show correct network LTE/4G for best speed. This prepares the phone to create a stable hotspot and avoids authentication or connectivity errors later. Now you configure the personal hotspot so devices can connect. Go to Settings, open Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to Join. This advertises the network. Make sure the Wi-Fi password is at least 8 characters and easy to share with trusted devices. This secures the connection. Choose your connection method: Wi-Fi for multiple devices, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for a single stable link. Once set, watch the hotspot status at the top of the screen to confirm it's active. To finish, connect your laptop or tablet. Select the iPhone's SSID and enter the password you created. If a device won't connect, toggle the personal hotspot off and try switching airplane mode on for 5 seconds then off to reinitialize radios. For slow speeds, move to an area with better Zong coverage or switch to USB tethering for stability. If problems persist, reset network settings in Settings General Reset, or contact Zong support to check APN and account status.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.